High sales don't always translate into profits. Companies may not know which products, regions deserve more attention and resources. And without clear visibility into sales trends, businesses may miss out on market opportunities. Sales velocity tackles that all. Sales velocity is the product by Office Solutions that enhances the productivity of the analyst and helps them to analyze the data more easily and conveniently. As the name indicates, sales velocity chart is totally dependent on the sales of the products available in a country. Let's add data to see the graphical chart. And for this, country-to-country data, product-to-product data, and so on. However, it is not necessary to add the previous sales data, and that is why the middle dot shows a gray color. Here we have the tooltip so that users will get to know about the regions and the products available inside that region. If I add the previous sales, the middle dot appears green, indicating that the previous sales are less than the current sales. And now we also have the data in the tooltip for previous sale. Let's add the license key to see the premium version of this chart. Okay. If you don't want to see the drop-downs or the legends, turn it off. Let's switch the data in the sale so that our previous sales become large and current sales become low. Due to this, the middle dot appears red. You can use the drop-downs to see the chart according to the top sales of the product and the top percentage contribution of a country.